Hey guys, this is Alberto from Robotech CAD Solutions. We're doing a quick video to let you know about our live online training. We're conducting all our classes live online, and what that basically means is that we have a trainer live that joins you for remote training. So I just wanted to basically explain the process on how this works and what do you need to actually be part of one of these classes. So during the onboarding, we will send you a link. The link will be an online classroom link from Google. So you'll have access to Google Online Class. And within there, you'll be able to see all the postings that the trainer, and all the other classmates, if there's any questions or anything, everything gets posted there, including the links for the software, the links for the actual files that you'll be using. Any kind of notes will be there as well. And it's available all the time. It's not only during the actual the scheduled class time, but it's available actually after hours as well. And the way this works is once you enroll, we'll give you access to the Google Classroom, and you get a link also for the WebEx meeting, or we do sometimes, depending on how many people we have, we use either WebEx or we do Google Meet. And this is the actual session. Once you join that, you'll be able to see the live trainer, and you'll be able to follow along and work along with our trainer and any other students that are there. One of the most important parts to online training, or actually I would say one of the most difficult parts, is getting the students to have machines that have the software already on them. And we created something that will help a lot of students. So basically we have a few options. The first option is, if your machine's really good, you could download a demo of the software. So we have right on our classroom link, we have all the download demos for AutoCAD, Revit. We also have 3D Studio Max. So you can download them and they'll run fine for 30 days. If your machine is not that powerful, or if you already had a demo and it expired on you, we also have remote virtual machines. So we'll set up your station so you can use one of these virtual machines. And I'll give you a little demo of how that looks. But basically, it's just an icon on your desktop. Once you click on it, you'll be remoted into one of our stations here in Hoboken, and you'll be able to take over and use any other software. These machines are really capable, so that you could run even stuff that 3D heavy stuff like 3D Studio Max runs well on them, and we could do that for you. So right now, I'm going to jump into our station and show you actually how it actually looks. Thank you.
So let's take a look at the interface. Once you're onboarded with us, you'll receive a Google Classroom link. From that link, you'll see the actual classes that you will be taking. Let's take a look at one of the classes here. We'll choose AutoCAD. And you can see the interface here for AutoCAD. These are posts by our trainer, Jillian. And let's just pick one of them to see how it actually looks. As you can see, she posted some exercises. These look like classes exercises that we'll be doing during the actual class. They're PDFs that you could download and have ready, so you can follow along with Jillian as she's building and designing things. On the same AutoCAD class, there are other links. For example, we have a link for the actual software. So if you want to run the software on your own machine, we'll have links for the actual downloads. These are demos. You could run them for about 30 days. So you'll be able to have access to all these downloadable demos. And this should get you going if your machine's strong enough. If your machine's a little bit older, or if you already had a demo and it expired, and you want to basically use one of our virtual machines, you could do that as well. I'll show you how that process goes. We'll install some software on your machine that will bring up the virtual machine. This is how the software looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and start. There we go. This is we're already inside the virtual machine now. If you click sign in, so you see that this machine already has all the software ready to go. It's installed. This looks like AutoCAD here is already running. You can see that there's barely any lag, if any at all. And we'll have Revit here as well. Yep, here's Revit. So if you wanted to, put a wall on somewhere, you'll be able to basically work on this machine just like if it was your own home machine. And as I'm working with this, I don't see any kind of log. It just works just like if you were there. I think we also have 3D Studio Max, yeah, and same thing, pretty smooth experience. So that's pretty good. You don't to get this running prior to the classroom. We will ask you if you have a machine, and if you already have the software on it or not. And if you don't have the software on it, um, I'll jump on with you, and I'll give you remote access to the system. So you basically have this little virtual machine ready for you for the rest of the training. So even after hours. So if you have a class during the day and you want to do some practicing after hours, you'll be able to later on at night sign in, continue to work on your exercises, and they'll be available until your course is over. And that's pretty much it for this little demo. I hope you enjoyed it.